So, I have chosen to talk about the world famous luxury brand, which is all over the news right now. And I am, of course, talking about Balenciaga. And the reason why I chose this company is because they have been violating the CSR activity marketplace activities, or more accurately, the offensive advertising. And I just want to dive even deeper into this case. So, what is Balenciaga? Well, Balenciaga is a Spanish clothing brand established in 1919 by Cristobal Balenciaga, and the company is now owned by the French luxury group Kering. And ever since the launch of Balenciaga, the company has grown into becoming one of the most popular clothing brands amongst fashionistas. But soon they might see a significant decrease in the sales of their products. So, how has Balenciaga violated marketplace activities? Well, Balenciaga has been accused of violating the marketplace activities multiple times, one of which was a campaign for spring 2023, which was meant to replicate a business office environment, including a photo of a page from a Supreme Court from a case regarding child abuse. And all the items included in the shooting were provided by third parties who confirmed in writing that these props were fake. However, they turned out to be real legal papers. And Balenciaga has now taken full responsibility for the lack of oversight and control of the documents in the background. And furthermore, Balenciaga has now sued the third party that was in charge of this campaign for $25 million in compensation for all damages. But I will be focusing on a more controversial violation, which happened on November 16th, 2022, where Balenciaga shot an ad to promote an exploration of what people collect and receive as gifts. And this ad, amongst other things, included wine glasses and several inappropriately dressed teddy bears handbags in fishnets and leather straps, also known as BDSM, which stands for bondage, discipline, sadism, and masochism. And the reason for this to be such a huge problem is that the models in the pictures are little children of Balenciaga employees. So how are people responding to this violation? Well, Balenciaga has been called out for purposely trying to promote child pornography and pedophilia all over the internet. And this campaign has drawn so much controversy that people on TikTok and Twitter have started a boycott movement against Balenciaga. And this boycott movement included people destroying and throwing out all of their Balenciaga products. And how is Balenciaga then responding to all this? Well, less than a week after the ad went live, Balenciaga removed the teddy bear images and issued an apology, saying that using children as models alongside the seemingly adult items were a mistake. They said the following: "We strongly condemn child abuse. It was never our intent to include it in our narrative. Our plush bags should not have been featured with children. The two separate ad campaigns in question reflect a series of grievous errors for which Balenciaga takes responsibility." And this last part is quite enlightening. Balenciaga saying that they are going to take full responsibility and owning up for their own mistakes means that they clearly know that they are in the wrong. And hopefully we won't see anything like this ever again. But are Balenciaga's wrongdoings common among big businesses? Well, many fashion brands have gotten caught up in major scandals throughout the years, but this case with Balenciaga is certainly not a common amongst the clothing industry, which is also why this came as a huge shocker for people. And these are the two following sources that I have used: one from Rolling Stone and another one which was the Balenciaga's Instagram account. That was it.